Today we're going to be going over adding new times. So what you're going to do first is go to your event list and you're going to click on Edit Event. Once you're in Edit Event, this is where you can add certain times to certain days, or you can add them to the whole week if you want. So first we're going to select our date range. So say we want to add times from today until the 27th. You can also choose if you want to do just Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or if you want to do the whole week. What we're going to do is we're going to type in the time that we want to add right here. So let's say that we want to add 3:30. So what I'm going to do is click Add Fixed Time. And it's going to show you that that time was added to those days. And if I click Show Existing Times, it's going to show me all of the current times that I have for that period. Underneath that, we have Add Calculated Time. So this is where you can add certain time offsets to sunrise or sunset or anything. So for example, I'm going to do 1 hour before sunset. I'm going to round it to a quarter hour. The earliest time I'm going to do is going to be 4 p.m. and the latest time being 9 p.m. When I click Add Calculated Time, it is going to add those times as you can see right here.